Today I'm going to talk about the third model of e-commerce business is dropshipping from Amazon. Dropshipping from Amazon has some pros as well as some cons. Pros is this: it has a maximum profit margin, but unfortunately, when a online seller commits a crime against the policy of eBay, he gets suspension of his account as well as gets negative feedback. Let's suppose, according to eBay policy, eBay says you can dropship from wholesalers as well as from manufacturers. This is fully allowed from eBay, and eBay does not allow if a seller gets products from retailer like Walmart or Amazon, and if a seller commits crime against the violation against the policy of eBay, eBay directly, without notification, suspends the account of that seller. As well as main reason of negative feedback is this: when a person dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, this is, I think so, very risky in this regard. When we study the eBay policy, then I can understand every person who study the pros and cons of eBay policy. In this regard, he can understand this fact that eBay never allowed a person to do this. So if you wanna play in a safer side, you can drop shipping by AutoDS, Spocket, Syncy, and this sort of ways, this sort of sourcing through which you can do drop shipping from Amazon to eBay. I think so. This is the better way. You can use Amazon for sourcing, not for direct shipping. I want to give you a wonderful tip in this regard. If you have your own stock and you do drop shipping, this is very, very beneficial for you. Thank you.